That's really the most important thing we can do, my friends. We get so full of anxiety, it's only because we think we're running the show here. I tell you, I look back over my life and I have not been running the show. The greatest changes, the greatest shifts, the greatest improvements that I've ever experienced were gifts to me. And perhaps we're all just finally at a point where we can accept these gifts and find a peaceful way of being that allows us to move through our days with a little less anxiety, fear, doubt, worry, and concern, with a little more confidence and strength and power. We're in this place this morning to remember who and what we are, and to allow ourselves to release the thoughts that have held us in bondage to a fictional nature of what we believed ourselves to be. To the liberated soul who stands in their power, nothing, absolutely nothing is impossible. We may not fully believe that in this moment right now, but we can embrace it as a possibility and begin more and more to live it as a truth. Nothing is impossible. Nothing is impossible. If you can dream it, you can live it, you can be it. If you believe it, you can receive it. This is the day that the Lord has made. Why not rejoice? Why not be glad in it? Why not make every day of your life a day of beauty? And so it is. Amen.